Welcome to the latest edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Relief Cardiovascular reported first-in-human results from the Relief FIH study, evaluating its implantable decongestion system for heart failure. The device is placed in the inferior vena cava below the renal veins and is designed to monitor venous hemodynamics while helping manage congestion. In 8 participants across 3 European sites, investigators reported 100% procedural success, no device-related adverse events at 30 or 90 days, and strong agreement between device measurements and right heart catheterization data. Abbott announced that the United States Food and Drug Administration approved CardioMEMS HERO, a next-generation pulmonary artery pressure reader used with the company's CardioMEMS heart failure monitoring system. The new reader is smaller and designed to improve ease of use and daily pressure data capture for patients monitoring heart failure at home. The National Institute for Health and Care Research and the British Heart Foundation launched a national consortium aimed at addressing cardiovascular disease inequalities across the United Kingdom. The £50 million initiative includes 9 universities and focuses on improving prevention and management of conditions such as high blood pressure and elevated LDL cholesterol, while also studying women's cardiovascular outcomes and strengthening the research workforce. Orchestra BioMed highlighted new conference presentations related to its investigational AVIM therapy. The approach is being studied in pacemaker-indicated patients with hypertension and is currently being evaluated in the ongoing Backbeat pivotal trial. Pilot data presented by the company suggested sustained reductions in systolic blood pressure and potential improvements in hemodynamics, ventricular remodeling, and diastolic function. Singapore's Ministry of Health plans to introduce an artificial intelligence tool called ACE AI as part of the Healthier SG initiative. Developed by Synax, the system uses factors such as age and medical history to estimate risk of diabetes or hyperlipidemia. Individuals identified as higher risk may transition from screening every 3 years to annual cardiovascular risk assessments, starting from early 2027. Researchers at King's College London reported results from the Rapid Miracle study, evaluating the Miracle 2 scoring system for predicting neurological outcomes after out-of-hospital cardiac arrest. The team found that a pre-hospital version of the score, including a simplified form without a blood test, could be used by paramedics after return of spontaneous circulation and showed near comparable predictive accuracy. Scientists from Rice University and Baylor College of Medicine reported early experimental findings using a non-editing CRISPR-based system designed to enhance mitochondrial function. The approach increases expression of genes involved in mitochondrial biogenesis and energy production. Researchers observed improved mitochondrial performance and oxygen consumption in human cardiomyocytes, as well as supportive findings in animal models and donor heart tissue. Finally, the American College of Cardiology and the American Heart Association, together with 8 partner societies, released the first United States multisociety guidelines for managing acute pulmonary embolism. The guidance introduces a 5-category severity classification, emphasizes the role of pulmonary embolism response teams, and outlines when advanced treatments such as thrombolysis, thrombectomy, or surgical embolectomy may be appropriate. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.